Okay, so let's start and see how you can place an order. You can choose any of these products from our homepage, whichever fits for your requirements. I will choose WordPress single for this demo purpose. Now you will also see what is included in one more step here, because that will give you a better idea of what exactly you're getting for your money. Then you click on order now button, where you can register a new domain. So for example, I have a domain called iranol.com. I will see if iranol.com or iranol.co.uk or something like that is available or not. So as you can see, iranol.com has been registered. I already have it. Although there are other domains which I can buy from here. As I already have this domain, I can use transfer domain name to Dell hosting service. But I don't want to transfer my domain to Dell hosting right now because I want to keep it where it is. So I will just use it and then order my hosting service. So by clicking on this use domain button, I will go to the next step. Now we have landed on a sign in page. If you're a new customer, you can easily create an account. Then I agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on create account. Then after registration, you will receive a confirmation email. You need to click on this and you will be landed on your complete registration page. Here you will fill all of your contact details, including your security questions with answers. This will help you to recover your account in case if you need in future. Once you're done filling your information, click on continue. When you land on the checkout page, if you have any discount code or coupon, you can apply it here. And then you can choose your payment method. You can either add your credit or debit card by selecting this button. Dell hosting uses Stripe in order to process payment. So none of your payment information will be saved on Dell hosting servers. Or you can simply select PayPal and then click checkout button here. Dell hosting will process your order within few seconds. Dell hosting has a very strong abuse detection mechanism behind the servers. So if in case your order is spotted as abuse, Dell hosting holds it for review, but usually the review is done quite quickly. Although if your order is genuine, then your account is instantly activated. If not, you can obviously go and click on contact us link here. Okay. So now if you want to go back into your client area, you can click on the client area link here, and then you will see your hosting and other options for your account. So this is how you place an order on Dell hosting.